Okay, so today I'd like to share one of the coolest features of MyFitnessPal, which is adding recipes from online food blogs and other healthy sites. So first, we'll start off on my home. As you can see, I'm logged into my account. And next, let's go ahead and click on the Food tab. Okay, and from Food, we'll click on this sub-tab, which is Recipes. Okay, and here it brings us to the recipe importer. So it's super simple. You just copy and paste the recipe from the food blog that you find. So here I'm going to go ahead and do a commonly searched key terms that I like to enter, which is high fat, low carb, healthy breakfast. This is key for endomorphs. I love to start my day packed with high fat, gives me the energy that I need after my workout. And so as you can see, there's lots of delicious options. I love avocado. Maybe we'll do that one. Let's see. Or cottage cheese. 2 minutes. That's like a winner right there. Let's do the cottage cheese here. So the cottage cheese breakfast bowl. Okay, we're not even going to worry about what all is on this site. There's lots of flowery words that food bloggers like to use. But what we'll do now, as you can see, I just copied that link from right here. Hop back over to MyFitnessPal, paste it, and now we click on Import Recipe. Okay, so now let's focus on little instructions that make this easy. Okay, remove any directions or other non-ingredients. Okay, so let's remove that. Let's remove that. That's an approximation. Well, we actually have the measurement, a 1/4 cup of frozen veggies, flaxseed oil, and then let's just say we'll add that to the beginning. 1%. And let's say 3/4 of a cup, so we can have a nice full bowl. And we keep our servings at 1. Okay, so right here you're going to want to add your servings, whatever is designated on the site, and then match ingredients. Okay, so it looks like it's 100% matched, and it is packed with nutrient-dense food. It's a little higher on the calories list, and you know why? I think it's because of those nuts, those walnuts. So let's make sure, 3 tablespoons of ground walnuts. You can absolutely 100% change this if you want to kind of reserve your calories, so to speak, for later in the day. Nuts are going to be high in calories, high in fat typically. But anyhow, everything else looks good. 1 container, 3 cups each. Okay, so we're going to edit this. This is also this is a major area where we went wrong. So this was supposed to be 3/4 cup of cottage cheese. And it says 3 cups. So you know what? Let's just give ourselves 1 cup for the ease of this. As you can tell, I'm doing this right along with you. I wanted it to be in real time. It's just to show you how it works. And sometimes we will run into these funky little errors. So I changed that to 1/3 of that. That way we have one cup of cottage cheese. So that looks a lot better. I was thinking it was really high. So 338 calories. Now we save and log it. We'll add it to today. It's breakfast. And then the servings, we'll do 1 serving, okay? and now it is logged in your food diary. Okay, and we come down here, bam, we're like blasted with fat for the day, really good, healthy fat for the day, high in protein as well, and a bit of carbs for the sweetness of it all. So this takes the guesswork out of it for you. You can see a macro breakdown, and you can get tons of great ideas from online food bloggers and websites to mix up your healthy eating. It can be fun. So that is adding the recipes through MyFitnessPal. I am so eager to hear what you add next.